Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the error where Adobe Audition doesn't detect your hardware that you currently have plugged in to your system when you either do playback and you don't hear anything, or when you try to record your voice and then you see this message that it's not detecting any hardware or any inputs. So to fix this, we're going to go to Edit, we're going to go to Preferences, and we're going to go to Audio Hardware. So for whatever reason, I don't know why, sometimes when you restart your computer or when you just let it go to sleep for a while, it'll stop detecting your hardware, and it'll say that it's currently not working. So you can go in here and you can see that I've got some other options, including the exact same piece of audio hardware that it's not detecting. So you can select it there. Now, if you're not seeing your audio hardware, you might want to unplug it and replug it in, or that might mean that it's time to update a driver, or it could mean that your piece of equipment is actually completely boned and needs to be replaced. So it's a good idea to keep an eye on that, because if that starts happening a lot, like even when your computer doesn't go to sleep or get restarted, then that might mean there's something wrong somewhere. But switching out audio hardware to stuff that's already plugged into your PC and already working properly is just handled through the audio hardware tab and these little pull down menus here. The top one, the input, is your microphone. I've got two plugged in here. I've got my Blue Yeti, and then I've got my Logitech headset. And then down here for speakers, I've got the Logitech and also the Realtek output, which I believe is the one that is the headset plug that comes out of my monitor. So just in case you're curious, that's how you reset your audio hardware settings so that it actually properly detects them, so that you can actually go and do stuff like record your lovely voice. See, now it's actually detecting and it's actually recording me as I am saying words. So if it's helpful, have a good one, everybody. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.